the crispiness of lechon kawali and also love the taste of kare-kare. So naisipan kong, why don't I just combine the two? So for today, gagawa ko ng kakaiba na namang recipe and I call this lechon kawali kare-kare. And to join me today as my special guest is the host of the new cooking show here on QTV, ang Daddylicious, Chef Nino Lagarta.
Yes.
Hi, Nins! Hello, welcome to Quickfire.
Yes.
Welcome. So, finally, nandito ka para magluto with me. Gagawa tayo ng isang napakasimpleng dish, something new that we could offer to my Quickfire foodies. So, ready ka na ba, Daddylicious?
Yes.
So, to everybody watching, set your timers and we're gonna start cooking. So, meron tayo ditong pre-boiled na ating pork belly. We have our deep fryer. Pinapainit lang natin yung ating mantika. We're just letting it heat up para mamaya pagka finray na natin itong ating pork belly, talagang magiging crispy na siya.
Yung pinakamalaki
Sa'yo lahat yan kung gusto mo, di ba?
Gusto mo ako maghiwa?
Sige, na onions. I just need 1/4 of that. This one is for the sauce. Meron tayo dito.
Unahin mo muna yung sauce.
Yeah, I'll just make the sauce. Hindi ako na dito sa garlic. May garlic chopper naman
eh. Napanood ko to eh. Arboring ka na yan mamaya.
Yan, sa ating onions and then our garlic. Mainit na ba yan?
Mainit na yung oil mo ha. Lagay ko na.
Sige. So we have here our atsuete na naka-soak sa water. So let's just strain it.
So sauce lang, basically you're doing the sauce.
I'm just doing the sauce. Ikaw na bahala sa vegetables natin. Yes. Yan ang eggplant, di ba? It's slightly medyo bitter. So what some people will do, they will soak it in water with a little bit of salt para matanggal yung kanyang bitterness. Ito yung ating
giniling na bigas.
Ito yung ating magiging parang thickener. And
pwede rin
also,
kung maglagay ka ng yung
mani.
Diba?
Pwede rin yung mani. So maganda yun, yung pag yung mani, padikdik nyo na rin yan sa palengke pag bumili kayo kasi pwede nyo na yung i-request kung saan man kayo bumibili. So, kamusta naman yung pagiging host ng bagong cooking show dito sa QTV?
Oo nga pala. So, guys, don't forget, manood pala kayo parati ng Daddylicious every Saturday, 11 a.m. in the morning. Together with my kids.
Your two beautiful daughters.
Yes,
Tia
together with Sai and Tia.
Yeah.
We try to help out yung mga moms. Hindi naman kailangan. Housewives. Yung mga ordinary housewives. We get to help them. We try to help them with their kitchen dilemmas.
Ah, okay. So, ito naman, I'm just actually, pinaano ko lang para hindi siya maging lumpy. So, now you're just sauteing the vegetables. How is it? Ayan.
Konti na lang.
Konti na lang. So now let's add our Ajinomoto Umami Super Seasoning. Here, our Ajinomoto Umami Super Seasoning can be added into different kinds of food. Maybe saucy, soupy, even with marinades. Pwede siya because it's what gives our food its rich taste and full-bodied flavor.
So basically, what I'm doing here na yung natin, yung vegetables.
Yung vegetables, hindi na natin siya isasama dito.
Hindi natin isasama dito sa sauce. So parang ginisang gulay lang rin. Meron tayong sitaw, meron tayong eggplant. We have also yung puso ng saging. Tapos alagay na rin natin yung bagong.
Yung banana heart, ito yung nabibili natin. Talaga siya yung shape niya talaga when you buy it, puso talaga siya.
Puso ng saging.
Puso talaga ng saging. So,
I think pwede na to. So lagay ka na dito yun ha.
Okay. Ang sarap naman ng guest na to, siya yung gumagawa lahat. Sige.
Hindi ako sanay, sorry.
Oo nga eh. Ayan. Put some. Lalagyan mo rin ba yan? Ng salt and pepper?
Yes. Ay, hindi. Lalagyan ka na lang ng pepper na lang tsaka yung Ajinomoto.
Okay. Ako na maglagay na Ajinomoto.
Yes, lagay mo na. Season mo na. Sabay tayo.
Okay. There. Naano natin to.
There you go.
There. So, we're just gonna wait for this to thicken up. Kamusta naman yung ating vegetables?
So, ready na yung vegetables.
Ready na?
So, may bagoong na rin siya. Nandito na lahat.
Oo, pero pwede na rin kayo maglagay ng bagoong sa gilid. Siyempre, some other people would want na mas...
For extra ba?
Yes, for extra bagoong. So, we're now ready to plate. Ayusin na lang natin.
So, tanggalin ko na to.
Yes, dito. Sige. Pagkakare-kare, dapat meron tayong kanin. Hindi mawawala yan. So, Nino, lagyan na natin yung vegetables here.
So, sa ilalim?
Oo, lagyan natin. Yan, dapat lahat meron. Gusto ko yung talong, yung sitaw, yung ating... There. Punong-puno talaga. Si Nino talaga pagka nagpapakain, punong-puno talaga ng gulay.
Hearty yung tawag dyan.
Ilan ang gusto mo?
Dalawa yakin.
Dalawa.
Okay lang, kahit isa lang.
Hindi na. Dagdalawa na tayo.
Hindi na makikita lahat. Para marami makakain, nag-aabang lahat. Nakatingin sila lahat.
Let's just place it here. Gusto mo ba yung masos? Ako kasi dito lang sa gilid. Dahil nga gusto ko yung... dito lang sa gulay. Kasi gusto ko nga yung crispy yung ko eh.
Lahat ginuus muna natin yan.
Pwede naman. Sige. Ang dami mo maglagay.
Kare-kare masarsa.
Kasi ayoko na masyado eh. Okay na ako dito. Oh.
Yan sa'yo, ito akin.
Oo, nagkakaintindihan tayong dalawa ha. So, ganun lang yung kabilis. Tamo? Mas bumilis ha, dahil sa atin ha. Dahil magkasama tayo sa kusina. So, that fast and that easy. Ito na ating lechon, kawali, kare-kare. Kain na tayo. Sa'yo mas marami.
Sarap nito.
Go ahead, Nino. Try mo na yung ating nilutong lechon, kawali, kare-kare.
Sabay tayo.
Hindi. Muna ka muna. Ito naman, no? Alam mo naman dito sa Quick Fire, gusto ko muna talagang pinapakain yung mga guests. So habang tinitikman mo yan, basahin ko muna yung may nag-email sa akin at sinulit na dito na, Dear Chef Rosebud, hi, I am Chrissy, a mother of 3 beautiful kids. From the day na nag-start ang Quick Fire, sa'yo na ako kumukuha ng ideas kung anong ihahanda kong dishes for my family. My husband and kids like pork or chicken na masabaw or masos. But sinigang and nilaga lang ang alam kong lutuin na talagang nai-enjoy nila. Hope you can share a new dish I can cook at home for my family na magugustuhan nila. Thanks. This is from Christine Villarreal. So, Chrissy or Christine, thank you so much for always watching Quick Fire at maraming salamat naman at lagi kang nanonood at sana naman may mga nakukuha kang mga ideas or about recipes and about kung anong pwede mong lutuin for your family. So dahil lagi kang nanonood, like sabi mo nga, ang alam mo lang lutuin is nilaga or yung sinigang. Etong dish na ginawa ko ngayon with Nino, pwede mo itong i-share naman with your family, di ba? Kasi ito naman, it takes on a new twist kasi yung ating lechon kawali, crispy with our sauce, di ba? So masarap siya. I'm sure your family and your kids, your husband will love it. So try nyo to sa bahay. So to my other Quick Fire viewers or my other Quick Fire foodies who have questions, you can email us at quickfire@gmailnetwork.com at pag nag-training namin yung inyong email, you receive a very special gift from us, yung usually mga kitchen gadgets na na-feature na namin dito sa show. So, sumulat na kayo. Kamusta naman ninyo? Masarap ba yung lasa nung... Kasi nakita mo naman, 10 minutes, meron na tayo agad na...
Sabi kasi, alam mo yung favorite na food ko, di ba? Parati ko sinasabi, yung kare-kare ng tita ko.
Di
ba? Pero ito, it's different. Kasi nga,
si Tita ano nga yun?
Tita Loli.
Si Tita Loli.
Favorite ko yung kare-kare. Kahit araw-araw ko kayo niya for 1 week, okay lang ako.
Pero this one,
it's different. Masarap nga siya kasi dahil doon sa lechon kawali, it's very crispy. Tapos andun na rin, medyo salty na rin ang konti siya, di ba? Tapos yung sauce mo is very sweet.
Yes.
Di ba?
Tapos with the vegetables that you added with the bagoong, so tamang-tama lang combination of flavors, di ba? So this one, you're also gonna be enjoying it kasama dun sa kare-kare ni Tita Loli, di ba?
Tuturo ko sa kanya.
Sige. Thank you so much, Nino. At meron ka pa bang gustong sabihin?
I would like to invite everybody to watch my show, Daddylicious, every Saturday, 11 a.m. in the morning.
Ayan, panoorin niya. Thank you so much, Nino.
Thank you very much, Herbie.
Quickfire would like to thank the following. Bika for our cookware, Princess for our small appliances, Oxo Good Grips for our knives and kitchen gadgets, Alba for our cooking appliances, Cubics for our modular kitchen, Blims for our furnitures, Savers Appliance Depot for our home appliances, SNR membership shopping for your world-class shopping experience, Ace Hardware for our paints and building materials. Ayan, tamang-tama. Ang dami kong kakainin ngayon. Didiretso na ako sa gym, so I'd like to thank Gold's Gym. Create delicious lechon kawali recipes with Ajinomoto Umami Super Seasoning. Kita nyo naman mga Quick Fire foodies, meron tayo itong crispy na lechon kawali with our very delicious kare-kare sauce. I'm sure that everyone who tastes this will enjoy it. So try this at home and join me again next time for more recipes and tips only here on Quick Fire, 10-minute kitchen wonders.